Lord, let it rain. I can't stand the lie of a blue sky one more day. Can't you make that pitter patter, sweet teardrops splatter against my window pane? Come on, bring down the sky. Let those clouds and me have a good cry. Let it rain. Lord, let it rain. Take away the glare of the empty shape of the day. Can't you make that liquid fly, bubbles rise, heat wave die, that water slip and slide me away? Your sun makes me feel like a fool. God, your weather just don't match my mood. Let the thunder crack, let the lightning snap the tension of a long dry afternoon. Wash away the time, cover me in shadow, then forgive me for lying in bed, listening to the rain fall on my roof. Let it rain. I can't stand the sound of the silent sun on my face. Can't you make those downtown hopping, grocery shopping, perky plotting, cheerful folks go away? Come on, bring on the flood. Let my soul have its day in the mud. Let it rain. Come on, bring down the sky. Let those clouds and me have a good cry.